Hello, I am Gina Sorokhaitam, belong to the state of Manipur in Northeast India, presently staying in Delhi. I was an educationist for almost a decade and taught in various army schools of the nation before I took to entrepreneurship. My husband, being from the Indian Army, served in different parts of the country, and me and my daughters have been part of the organization through thick and thin. We founded Look Act Is Hospitality Services along with my husband in 2015. The inspiration came from the pain points faced by some of our Northeast Indian travelers when they come to Delhi. Some of the challenges include unfamiliar ecosystems, namely navigation, communication, cuisines, etc. This often leads to a lot of hassles and problems while they stay in this metropolitan city. To address these pain points, we endeavor to give assurance and hassle-free stay, travel, and also ethnic guest cuisines to our guests and make them feel at home. The enablers involve coordination right from the planning stage by the guest to include the booking of the journey through flight or train till they depart safely. On arrival, our trained staff receive them at the airport or the railway station and then host them at our customized accommodations which have been validated by us. Ethnic food are served at their place of stay. We also provide them guidance in terms of advisory or liaison with the authorities, etc. when needed. The taxi cabs comprises of own fleet of vehicles or we outsource them as per our specifications and policy. The accommodations are partnered with chosen service providers and customized, validated and assured by us. The ethnic food is provided from our flagship restaurant in Look Act Is Kitchen in Delhi Hard INA. It may be pertinent to mention that we promote women empowerment by giving them job opportunities. In today's fast evolving data-centric and technology-oriented business environment, mentoring and assistance from the experts assistance from experts from the industry would carry a long way in fostering our mission of providing assurance and to our native travelers in the capital city. This initiative is inspired by our Indian Army background and passion to contribute to the integration of the nation in a small way. In fact, the name of the firm Look Act East is also derived from the Act East policy of the government. We, the team of Look Act East, is eager and passionate to collaborate for scientific techniques, tools, processes, etc., which will leverage this noble initiative. Jai Hind.